What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So my people, one of the things more I share with you know Rosalie. Seeing I think Jake's new woman, Rosalie and Jake's new woman kick off, you see me I say, and some sewing business. You know what I mean? So me I go watch it with you and react to it. Some want to tell me what to think in the comment section. Right? We also have TikTok lawyer Macey and Jamaican Barbie and Ziggy. One bag of mix up and drama and foolish. You see me I say, I guess Macey must talk about Jamaican Barbie picnic. Or no, say she have a picnic where they on the what I call it this a side, you know what I mean? So I guess Macey go say something. Cause remember you know them did take away the picnic, you know, you see me and she get back the picnic and Macey never know say she get back the picnic and go say whatever she say. So them have a little thing, them kick off a little bit. Seeing now Barbie, Jamaican Barbie, I blame my TikTok liar say she must make she and Macey kick off, you see me? So I'm gonna share some of the saga there with Uno. We also have Shibada, my people. Me never know say Reagan King get hold on pan by Iceman. They must be so send him back a yard, people. Yeah, you see me? And nobody not hear nothing about blame them. So if you don't hear nothing about blame them, let me know what you think in the comment section. Was Reagan King legal or foreign when they hold him with the GUN? Cause remember you know, I think them only with a GUN in a New York. So I don't know if for that them are send him back home for or him did illegal when them hold him with it. You see me, I don't know. So we are gonna get in that, my people. And we have other things we are gonna share also. Maybe we'll add more things to that while you know what I mean we proceed. So make we get in it, my people. Hold on there, my people. Before we get in everything, we have a video with C and Lee. We more share with you know. Seeing you see that video of C and Lee, he might talk about the whole Jetty and TikTok bar situation and he will give him opinion on why, you know what I mean, Jetty may be a left or something. He want to talk about the situation and he must say boy TikTok boss nah take care of him woman. But people, me are the one for business in a people relationship. But you remember say you're a representation of your woman and your woman is a representation of you. Yes, so me I say, and me no know if TikTok boss and him and Jetty did they, you know what I mean? Cause them say them left just the other day. But to me, them never together. Because you can have how much car and you bush and trash every day and have big money in your pocket and your woman look like say nothing at all now go on for her. You see me I say me never she it look like say dog no spend money on her. And that's see and I say someone wanted to tell me what they think in the comment. Seeing so make we kick it off.
You see, the problem with TikTok boss and Jetty is, you know, I think say TikTok boss, dog, you're just too mean, yeah, dog. Me feel say you're mean because you could have never make money and your woman looks so rough. I mean, Jetty is not a ugly girl, you know. She just need care, and she look kind of old. You not spend no money on the lady. You not spend it. But we can bet you spend it on the little young as well. The little young as well, you send out a shop and
she be TikTok boss left Jetty after me never put them together. Me never put them together, so if you really find the Jetty a favor, Jetty stop me and frat. Cause TikTok boss mouth fratty. I'll only girl really shut on the iron sword on the pride before you tell Jetty don't go back. Because it look like don't pay a box TikTok boss when him talk. And that one friend yeah, come about TikTok boss put out Jetty like we did when them a meet. You just want one screen recording though. You want something for boost your page. But we talk about Ivan, you come and I try backtrack. But we talk about Ivan, you come and I backtrack now. And I talk, say our friend we are citizen. And she do her girl, this and she girl, that and she. Ivan, we're not talking about that. We're not talking about if friend rent place and landlord, no. The fact that we are talking about, oh, you're just an upright thief. You can't have immigration officer who know where you live and know all about you. You are that immigration officer must a thief. You must have scam for him because you can't have immigration officer who knows you're illegal and behave like this and I confess the illegal activities and still want back you to become a citizen while Donald Trump want put out all I know. You and that immigration lie need to go down and some know you tell lie. You're wicked and lie, Ivan. The fact of the matter is sometimes when you talk until you don't know if you talk say. Yeah? For sure, because you're boss by yourself, it better it boss by a girl. Yeah, boss by yourself. Me never boss by myself. You better be boss by a girl. You better be boss by a girl or a boy. But me never ever make my mouth bring down me. So I confess after me not mark him and clad. Then again me not do not evil. So I not do nothing to talk about. Everybody used to defend you and put them to shame, Ivan, because you don't care. You don't even care about your child. When you take life so simple, me I wonder if I saw the devil blind, you know. But I say you can't thief and live, you know. Because some people have to do with them, have to look for pet life. It might not sit well with me, it might not sit well with she, but some people have to do with them, have to forget by. But however, you can't boast about it, my love. You can't boast about it. When you boast about the cheapest set of things, can never be done. Can never be done. It's not fair. It is not fair. We sell out to humanity for nothing at all. I know that I admire how everybody who a sensation keep their mouth closed. Then me not hear one woman put in the comment section say, the amount of evidence where she's sending pan Rosalie could never get the British visa. Then now that make Junior spiral out because it don't look like a Rosalie alone not get it because me a promoter. But now make Rosalie stop my show. One monkey no stop no show because no star no in the batch. So you send for Overcast, a Dark Cloud, them did the same for. However, me will tell you the truth where God love from heaven to earth. When you talk truth and a daily, sometimes some things happen, it's not going our favor. It's not going our favor. It's not going our favor. For true pink party, when I have the whole internet, it's so easy to drag the internet with you guys. That's why I'm tell the internet say, them have no swing song. Would not believe, but it's true. And the monetize the situation. Or the monetize it come right up. True or false, people? It's the people that never get jaded, you know. Them who come and confess and I try open the windows now for the sit inside. Because they say, you know, at the visa where we plan, how could you wait on the visa? For so long. What wrong with the book make embassy for all and pan? Embassy, the High Commission must have sent police after make them all and pan on the passport. Because me not understand. So on a passport, they don't only can tell me so not having a passport. Because that's twice another embassy. So on a reach a foreign. The ticket them just now sell. For buy the umpteen plane ticket, then any promoter they thinks they can buy over 6 plane ticket for 200,000, really lick them head. really lick them head. Who don't spend $1.8 million on plane ticket? But this never serious. This never serious. I wonder if I want to put together, because this could have never serious. I wonder if I want to buy my own plane ticket. I only be a say boy I sell my nightmare. Then if I take up 6,000 and buy a ticket for either 1 point or almost 1 mil. You understand me? The promoter could have never see back them way.
People, tell me what you guys think in the comment section, cause me feel like say a full-time like promoters in England just allow the TikTok things alone. You see me I say, because at the end of the day them can't full out a room. You see me, them not have pulling power when it come to physical pull out people to come a show or whatever event them a go. You know what I mean? Them can pull out the people them when it comes to TikTok. And I feel like say the promoters them a look on the numbers what them a do on TikTok and I calculate it, say yo the amount of people you go pull up when them come over here, but them for know say yo that are views from all over the world. You see me I say? Some of these people do not have no pulling power when it touch to like selling tickets for an event. You know what I mean? So, and England overall too far, too much money you have to spend for a person come to England. Then you have to go pay them, you have to go accommodation, place to stay at, right? You have to go pay for that. Plane ticket, you have to go pay for that. You see me I say? And also you have to pay them to come on your show. So too much money that we spend and you're not sure say you're not gonna make it back. All if you group up a whole of TikTok, maybe that's the only way you will make a money. If you group up the whole of TikTok and carry England. You know what I mean? But as far as carry these TikTokers, I don't feel say them to try that again. Let me know what I think.
Don't ever travel from body pass till the week. The promoter could have never see back them way. Cause that just don't make sense, because when we check the levels, it's not like it's a pulling crowd. When they can't pull crowd, for promoters say, alright, we can keep 2 nights of them, 3 nights of them. You know, we can carry them go a Birmingham, Bristol. You know? Nothing. And we don't know so now star. And that's why Junior crashed out. Then Junior never know somebody could have tell Junior. Send a solid British embassy go. Junior should have just go look for a US visa and travel back and forth. For sure, you know. Plus hotel, plus the accommodation, plus them have to go get lunch money. We call it per diem. And that's almost no, sir. The money never did ever make. The money could have never made, because when you look on the crowd, it's not pulling crowd. And this is what we need to know. That because you're hot on that app, it simply means that you will hot in a real life. No, a 2 different energy. When you're hot on the app, you know, you're not necessarily hot in a real life, you know. A 2 different energy, you know. You have to wonder where people see you for first and foremost before they come spend their money. Did you know that? Princess Rookie, my baby? Cash one. You have to wonder where people know you for. What are you famous for? If you're a TikTok, I'm seeing a real life one turn on my phone and look if you're on live. All when you not have your phone in your hand. It's true at 2 different things. But you see, most of these persons who are talking about they are promoters, they are not promoters, you know. They are not promoters, because if they were the promoter, they would have no selling card. So they would have a selling crowd. You never know. That's why Princess Rookie, when me hear some of them attack, me not say nothing at all. I don't say anything at all. Some of them not even for key party. And it's just the truth. Event at visa issue, low ticket sale, and not a marketing event, not a marketing event, sorry. Not making event, but not a making event. Yeah, the event never market. Not even they market the event, so you wonder if the event is really true. Because no, everything AI now, everything AI now, so you wonder if it was really true. So my question is, why the all up? Why on a visa since them I say, everybody get them visa? When them I say, come in one misquote arena, everybody get them visa. No false document, not sending, I just want. What she say I just want? Come on, remember Karikina. No, everybody get them visa. All those that get that visa to okay. Everybody get them visa. What is the cause why the show cancel? Why? Why put her from February? If everybody get them visa, why the show put her from February? They would have gotten back their passport long ago. They would have gotten back their passport long ago. Come here. The embassy take 15 days to review your passport. You understand me? To review you and all the information. You get what I say? So why would the British High Commission hold on for your passport for how much month, for how much weeks and days? Almost month. No, it's true. You see, I will forever say this. If we're traveling as a pack, we're going as a collective, and you in it, everybody I get review. If you are guilty, everybody I get review. So if everybody get them passport and them visa, and that is fine, why is the show not keeping moving on again? Since everybody get them visa, so everybody would have gotten back their passport. So we're moving on now. Why wouldn't I leave yet? Can you have to get back your passport before the day of the event or the week of the event? You understand me? You have to get back your passport. So all the event keep pushing back. Ticket sales low. You sure ticket sales low? And the ticket not sell at all. Because ticket sales being low is a possibility of you postponing and watching the ticket rise. So come now. If you're going at 2 months now, ticket sales low. So what kind of promoter is that? They have spent 2 months of low ticket sales. That's my point. The ticket must not sell. Because we like to use low ticket sales. Low ticket sales is when you're bargaining for 500 people and you get 200 or 250. That's low ticket sales. You never know. You can't sell 10 tickets out of 500 and sell low ticket sales. No ticket not sell. No, that's exactly what I'm trying to say, you see? And I'm not talking about the talents, you know. I'm talking to the promoters. This is one of the major problems. You see, Jaden Rosalie, TikTok boss, Akeem figure it out. God bless them for the opportunity that they would have gotten. God bless them. Honestly. Now, when you take a stock about promoters, you understand me? When you talk about promoters, they wonder what are they investing in. That's the problem. When you invest in So you see, it's not about them because you getting an opportunity launch you in a position to feel as if you're more than what you are.
Alright, my people, so Diamond did come out and say the reason for the show cancelling is that them get back the visa them late. And she go on and say everybody get them visa. You see me I say? She said everybody get them visa, but the visa then they come late, so that's why.
And they can't blame you for that feeling. So that launch in our position, this opportunity launch in our position, it has nothing to do with Jaden, Rosalie, TikTok boss, Akeem figure it out. I mean, I'm saying Diamond because she out there. You understand me? It has nothing to do with them. Whether they want hype now or hype later or hype in between, it has nothing to do with them. Because if you take up a boy off the road and give him an opportunity, he's supposed to operate differently from the position and the situation which you found him in. So we put all that aside. You get what I say? So let us just say now. Let us just say. For me now, what would I be investing in? For me. The hype, Cascas, that's true. Yeah, no, they know they are not talented because if any one of them out of the lot they talented, apart from Diamond, them could have sent for that individual else. They call me a name myself. So when I said to you that all of you on the self and the gigabytes, it's not all the real estate in a real life. The people not view on the song. Good as your boss early.
I was already there. Where you talking about? Who tell me not to go over there?
The girl next to your friend, them tell us, don't go over there. Listen to me, I said to you, my girl, I'm tell you. You see,
Nobody never tell me to go over there.
I tell you again, if me never apart, you wouldn't make it for over there, so girl. You understand?
Listen. No, you listen, liar call me while I was in the shower, right? And I tell me, he said the man want to apologize to me for come over there. You understand? That's the only reason why I'm go over there because blood clot liar come. Liar don't come back. My bumper clot phone for that man there now. Don't call me back. And that me I tell you, I'm a dead bumper clot.
Yo.
Alright.
Yo, listen to me.
No, because if you get me no problem with my man, and I wanna fuck with me. Liar don't blood clot call me back. I'm a fucking serious. Can you tell me so the big old tough man want blood clot apologize?
Liar want a piece of the algorithm. And the media, my girl.
Liar gonna make me eat alright, I know, you know, God know, you know. Alright.
My girl, you can't eat liar for keep
Alright.
platform. Listen to my girl.
Yo, I don't give a fuck, bro. Cause that was like a whole fucking setup.
Me can't talk same time.
Bumper clot man, I go like him have no blood clot sense. That was a whole setup a while ago, babes.
Me tell you now, bumper clot here. My girl, listen to what I go on, my girl. Look, they check the FYP. You keep. You understand? You understand? You get that?
Yes.
You now look on that, my girl. How much people watching over there for your backup page? Tell me now. Just tell me now, girl.
145.
Eh?
145.
Alright, I'm show you something. TikTok liar need people like you to keep our platform. I understand, I can't blame her for that.
There's 1 minute there.
Understand? I can't blame her for that to keep our platform or it's what she want it, or it's supposed to be then. Deal with case like this. You don't need to go in a case we done when already, girl. You done win that case already, girl. You don't need to go in. Jesse, look what you do. Look down upon the people, them. Them need you to keep relevant. Relevant to run over your girl.
Then tell liar don't blood clot come back.
Me, are your friend them, not my girl, am my friend them?
No, me and nobody on a blood clot.
Listen, man, listen up. Me, I tell you, don't go. And you take that from liar. One for double about that.
You never tell me no go. You never.
Bumbo clot. Hey, girl, give me money now.
Alright, wait now. Probably
Bumbo
never
clot, give
hear
me
you.
money now, girl.
He didn't, but me never hear him. Me never hear him. Me never hear him. Me never hear him. Dear. Me not laugh, you know. Me not laugh. God know me not laugh. A liar, you can't talk back to me after today. God know me dead bumbo clot serious. Come like you set me up, liar. I feel like you set me up, liar. Liar, God know. Liar, just avoid me from here on out. That's all me I tell you. Just avoid me from here on out. Yeah. Just avoid me. That me I tell you. Liar, tell liar to avoid me. Big and blood clot.
Hey, my people, Ziggy a madman, you know. Ziggy chip out to blow and jump. Jaja. People, let me know what they think me watch some more because me don't know how yo, the man chip out because the woman say him never tell her nothing. But for real, my people, you see, relevancy and TikTok them go hand in hand. You see me I say, and anybody relevant just notice all of the people them, the usual suspect them. Notice when anything at all a go on where I run the algorithm as Ziggy would have say, them have to attach for themselves to it. Them are go give them opinion on it, or them are go try to do something similar to that. Go on the trending, or you know what I mean, go on the FYP. You understand what I say? So let me know what you think and make me watch some more.
That's serious. Go out of everybody pan a app here, liar would have never expect that from you, bro. That me I tell you. The only reason why I'm go over there now is because liar called my fucking phone while I was in the fucking shower and tell me said this man want to apologize. Hold on. Don't back me when my blood clot leave. No back me when me leave. No back me when my blood clot leave. If you back me in front of my bumbo clot face. I'll be a fuck with shit there on the face, on the something I say. And all you there with her. Can you tell me with what part offended you? How much blood clot time I have to repeat myself? How much time I have to repeat myself? You mentioning my fucking kids. Whether my opinion was taken away or not, whether blood clot this have to do with nothing. What me have to do with nothing? But the vice for my child? You think a butty man can be the vice for my blood clot child? You a pussy clot idiot. Are you fucking stupid? You want to be the voice? A big blood clot, batty man. Your bumbo clot idiot, hour. He's a fucking fool, hour. Which batty man can be advised for my blood clot pitney, you fool? Okay, no, man. What happened, King? What's up?
Nothing. I'm just talking to him.
No, you have me, I'm a bumbo clot man in a blood clot argument, no. Liar, yo, liar, vibe me, you know, my liar. Out of everybody on this app, liar, I never expect that from you. God kill me for lie, me I tell liar. Me never expect that, bro. When I never think you would have set me up. Liar, you're good, yeah. Yeah, man, you're good. Yeah. Big up on a fucking self same way. Don't make no fucking sense. But advocate be advice for my child. Which bumbo clock Batman could I be advice for my people them? Are you fucking dumb? Could be a fucking advice for Geico. How the blood clot do you? They need a blood clot advice more than my bumbo clot people them. You're a bumbo clot idiot. Remember say me have me people them, you know. About be blood clot advice. Come lick up my body wall about be bumbo clot advice. Now that them a try bumbo clot though, bro. Them just want to mash up my relationship. I want to know.
I can go tell her Mrs. So. You still don't laugh, but I don't know what you're talking about. Like I text you, bitch. What's your name again? You act like say me and run it down and I text you. Drunk crow. I tell you if you laugh again I eat that. You can't run start a joke with me. King know that. You can't bad me up. Me spitting in your face. You can't bad me up. You know me walk and spitting in your face. Now run a joke with me, boy. I'm not one of those hoes. You don't run joke with me. Still not green off your so good dirty braces them. What fuck you sitting down laughing? You hear Ziggy a disrespect and you sit down and skin off your mouth and I laugh like you think it's funny, bitch, nigga. And that's the reason why you can't come around me. Cause you always, when you touch live, you do crazy shit. And then when you off live, you text on my phone. Like me I bother you. Me not bother you. Now look you, yeah, look me. Last message you said, every time we vex, you kick me out. Nigga, you gotta get the fuck out of my place. Fuck you talk about. And you just text me. Oh. You don't want me to go scroll for it and show some message, you know? Kinda leave now, you know? I'm gonna block the shit out of all of y'all. I'm playing no games, dumbass. You sit down and skin off your dirty blood clot face. Everything you laugh at, you come. And you know you can't run certain joke with me, and you know you can't run certain joke with me, you know? Anytime you click live, you want proof to your chat. Say you is this unbothered person. Anytime me up on screen, you want skin off your dirty teeth them, that's one. Two, you want act like you don't know me from nowhere. Three, you want act so unbothered like me running at you. But when you come off a TikTok, you don't have text me down. And that's why I'm not look for you. More I send more message at 3 days before me reply to it. Prove our messages are there. All 2 days before me fucking reply to you.
Hey, the people. You see what me don't feel set up for them woman really right it certain ways still, you know. Because Ivan and this youth here, whatever. Like, what caused them to stop talk? Now this a youth that did propose to her. Now this a same youth here, she and him do OnlyFans video and something. More I know if a long time him used to do them type of video there, Ivan and broke him out. You see what I say? Because me don't know what go wrong with them, and when I level, you know, people, Ivan, you really need him still, you know. But you see, like the asylum what you go seek, you know. I think if him and she like get married and something, she could have pulled that and make him put in her papers them and something. You see me? So you have a man who love you, and I like see something more that go fake and do. It wanna in a relationship and the dog love you, and you check into. You don't even do OnlyFans video. So you tell me say you could have just second with him. Boy, people, you see enough of them money. And so when they're young, them pick choose and refuse, and easy to kick a man to the curb. You see me? When they older, any little thing them get them all up and it's so tight. You know what I mean? So tell me what you think in the comments to people.
You're gonna stay fucking block. That's a permanent block. When I run a joke. Okay.
Oh God, you trouble me last night.
King, don't fret. King, don't fret. Put your take your hands from your mouth, King. You're a big man. Do not fret. King, I fret. King, no birthday pum pum for you, man. King, I drop me, I trouble this, man. I behave myself.
You know what I mean?
I'm a friend, King. Me not trouble you. Hey, bro, chill. Me not do that, King. Me not trouble you. Hey, bro, what are you talking about, man?
King, now when I'm King, take them Varney.
You know that you are telling me now?
King, just take my skin and laugh. All more things I do a laugh. I'm going to take her down.
No, Ziggy, King no say birthday I come out, cause she say birthday and him not get not coming over for him birthday. So everything spoiled now, Jesus Christ. I'm sorry for King. And King wanted to come pum pum, you know.
I she love King, my friend full of girl. Like neck ball.
Man, yeah, you shall fake page.
You show where I watch for a long time.
Shall fake page. Shall fake page. Shall watch that. What they are there now, what's it up on YouTube? And it's so interesting. I've been trying to say me a come here.
No like girl, Van. Left from over your journeys.
You know, bro, me say me a come here a circle.
Hey,
you know where they man.
That's why on the circles.
King, just pray. I wish you would call you. Shall I call you? Just pray. See, some people, I don't know, you know, some people just can't tell the truth. When them know it's the truth, they just can't accept it that it's the truth. We have friends like that. I like them, the people, them like people where them tell me say me wrong and me accept it and me tell them say them wrong and tell them the truth. Yeah, but then I watch one thing and I say my mind run by you. I say me I come over here, come look if you are asleep. I like the king like this. I make big woman thing, I like the king like this, I swear. But no, I come over here, come sing king, I troll and I go on and I play music.
When you go about in the business, when you go about in the business, when Varney they are trouble, me see them on woman. Go on there, so they are skin off on the teeth.
Ashes.
Bro, last night, They had our Travers them as Vanny block Java. Java said, what we do Vanny? Hey, kid, and you may Vanny block me, you know, me not do Vanny, nothing, you know, me love Vanny, I'm afraid Vanny just block him last night for no reason. Vanny the part of blocking street, me like Vanny, man, me like her. One Vanny, one eye.
Sensation done it all, she mash up.
I lie.
Yeah, sensation done it all, man, them alone shoot for her now. Sensation, Vanny, empty.
Vanny have a people them, man.
Vanny,
You're good.
Tantan, Vanny want them things enough to do her back. Go lick out Vanny hole. Go lick out Vanny hole. Go name out Vanny hole, she that show me sniffer. She showed me yesterday, more man, boy man.
Oh, you know, so today I'm sit down, you know. I'm sit down today and I'm Ziggy.
It's true, they call them and Vanny and show me more man. Move the blood clot.
Today I'm sit down
and
I remember I said she have Vanny was
hey, move it up. No go in up.
when I leave Ziggy alone, Kyle.
She first.
Wife, I didn't hear him now, Mr.
I always about Vanny and I bring down King.
Ashley, let's go.
She pick Tracy side and I bring me down. Me pick King side now.
Beautiful, I'm just trying to see what's going on. Beautiful, I'm lost.
Yeah, I always put up our picture.
Vanny picture and I bring down King.
Yeah,
she pick Tracy side and I bring me down. Tracy side to pick and I bring me down.
Anybody say anything bad about Vanny, you jump and you cuss. You're not gonna lie. You always look out for her. That's true.
Lord have mercy, chat triple by Marjan got the green card interview and then deny her green card. Triple then just come to me DM say if you go sort out your green card and left junior business alone. Triple A said the party you buy it, they deny the green card. Here there. They say she not going to deportation. Lord God, Triple A come to the DM with your business, galley. Triple, the people let me say, me read it how they say, why Miss Triple no go and go sort out her green card and left people business alone? USCIS denied her the green card recently when she do her interview. Lord have mercy. Then Triple, why you not gonna sort out your business, girl, and come off of TikTok? Me feel like something that they DM me, no me have to go in there. Yes. Chatting not go ask Triple why she not go sort out her green card and leave people business alone. Triple then say you buy a marriage. You're your man. Chat, you know we love people business bad. We love people business bad. Yes, bro. So people then say Triple if you go sort out your green card, they say they deny you. Then Triple now going at deportation. And Triple N they say you're smart, you could even fake the interview. Can I idiot? The girl couldn't even fake the interview. Chat, that just come to the DM. That's why she probably so angry with Junior. No, we see why the girl so angry with Junior. She take out her problem for Junior. Or if he murder he need papers to it, what they want papers. Lord God, Triple they deny you. That no look good chat. Alright, Triple go start out yourself, girl, come off the internet. Go on, cause you get the next paper, you go get you, if you go a court.
So we click to eat. I pray my people the bunch TikTok, you know. Chat me look too much.
some people wanna tell me in the comment section if you don't know if you're fuck say what TikTok liar say about Miss Triple a real thing. You know what I mean? Jaja. If that happen for real, Ja no star. But Triple now have her man Solitaire, where she always a big up on life. So how she feel when name the old TikTok liar say she buy marriage. Unless somebody else she married, eh? Jaja. People make me know what they think.
I would even look. Chad, come now. I'm tell you already now. I'm my world I don't have to pay for living night. They don't got no content. Some of them need to go Google. Some of them need to go Google how to become a content creator. We don't have no content. We don't have no content. I don't know build a fan base. I don't know some bunch of mix up people where we don't get the bandwagon is them when I like a person fit share phone. That's all them be. Them now build a team. The key thing for you to build a team. You know how long city did about? Shama, my baby D, what am I for them to jump in? They call them say me I keep culture the cold. Go build a team. You know want to teach all of them go build a team? 1 hour my piece 5 minutes. You know want me to come argue, I'm not argue with a dog. I'm not argue with people anymore. You can't upset me. Before I argue with them, I go scroll over TikTok. Yeah. Go build a team. Yeah. All them do, throw them bone and think that me I will bite it. Me no dog. All them do a throw them bone and think me I will bite it. Me no dog. Them the tricks are all played in the book. Come with something different. Come with something different. Them the tricks are all played in the book. I'm going to try to tell you, say, you know, me and a 2 different person. I hide upon the prize and the bag when I come to kill this argument with the individual girl. Me is a beggar, I'm not argue nobody when I love begging. Me's a ranker, I'm not coming for argue. But come for look 2 money gun, something. I want to trickle down my girls and go and rock and come in. I know I'm glad, say. I'm glad some of the platform them now soon put on back on the chart. Because anytime I want to go on the chart, I don't start from here, so. Because I know some people have back out top, but when I put them back on the chart. When they come off of the map, we keep them off the map. When they end up on the radar, keep them off of the radar. Keep them off the radar. Don't put them back on the map. When I put them back on the map, go look content. CONTENT content. Go look it. Go do some content. TikTok is about content creating and about trace. How can trace most? Go look content. Go look some door. What is going on in our world? The war with such and such done yet? God bless TikTok shop and the whole community. I have TikTok and I know what I do. I'm not come out whenever they come and I lose my page. I'm here to eat. Because every time them pick them bone, I'm come argue. You look like me at the aggressor in the case. I mean, I want no platform pick up them Tory. Let them go on. Go on in the name of Jesus. I have 2 man grinding and breed you. I know you're going to sue me for that. What up, sir, chat? I like sick people, you know, no sick. Mindset weak. A couple months when I talk about you know, I'm not calling the name because I'm not relevant. The one thing them say about me on TikTok, I take my mother man, me was dirty, my son this, my daughter this, police come for me naked, me not get no justice. I'm still standing like the rock of the Gibraltar. I'm not come hard on a class, on a rubber, on a scrub, and I'm still standing. I'm not telling you to give me a break. Ride me as possible. Because I don't understand, so I'm not comfortable. No girl can't ride me up no more. I'm at peace. I'm sick my stomach. No, me at peace for sure. I'm so my cup of rice with me look curry.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think, right? Because Rosalie on a level still, you know, my people. Rosalie not really pick on people certain way, you know. At least from out there, yeah. I don't see she pick on nobody. You see me? She just do her thing, do her series with Hakeem and get her kinds and something. You know what I mean? But when people come for her, she definitely go for them. You see it? So I want to tell me what you think in the comment section if these people are pick on Rosalie because Rosalie are the hot topic or because she the on top. See? And another thing, my people, Rosalie, if you stop me, because you say I'm going to eat curry goat and rice, you know. You have to know him because, you know what I mean, she said she want to shed a couple pounds, you know what I mean, she want to take off some of the weight and something. But taking off the weight come with discipline when it comes to dieting, and she have to do look at exercise same way. You see it, and curry goat, no man, we had the Rosalie, that is something for fatty out, man. You see me that the curry, goat meat full of beer fat, you know. Most of goat meat are beer fat and something, you know. You see me? You have to start try to eat some chicken breast, you know. Yeah, you can eat the rice, yes. You see me, but in a moderation, because she says a cup of rice she going to eat, so you have to eat some chicken breast and some steak, you know, Rosalie. If you drop off some of your weight, you know what I mean? Eat the lean meat, the meat without fat. You see me, and you're frightened to see how you lose couple of pounds. You know what I mean? So, make watch some more, my people.
Me look for curry goat. One me buy me a mix. Me in my mood. Made at peace, not pieces. Go live some life. I'm sorry. Go live some life. Grab on a passport. That's 7,000 feet. I'm going. Let me give you a look. Two with me concern. The lady with the big lady with the two pam. She me attack. No. The biggest lady with the two pam. No. Two with me concern. Go get your passport, galley. And go book a vacation. Or you can't get over any money. Go get your passport. And go book 3 days somewhere. Put on your bad suit and go experience life. And make new people that me want to know. You know what I don't know. You don't want to argue with them. Wow. Get my passport. Put. One vacation stamping night. Mr. One cruise something. Where you go? I think you go. Must be 3 nights at one place. Colombia. On TikTok. You go come Colombia for 4 nights. And then after you go Colombia, you go Panama. Go stay 7 days something. Go book one flight. Life short. Go eat a cock. You know no sad sir, no? Sad up. You look a bit sad. And tiny and stink. No sad body. Me don't want one no sad no come poor no sadness for me. Let me become automatically sad. Because I mean I live this sad. I want to wake up and smell the coffee. I want to bend over and shake my rumper till I reduce it. You know, let me know I'm not penetrate, you know. I tell you from before the beginning, I'm going to tell you at the end. See me before the 100 just drop in there. I don't do girl, because I'm broke. I don't like the broke ladies, them.
What if me a do girl if I want a rich girl? When me can't see me have a rich girl and the anthems, boy. Yeah. I'm a broke girl. You can't come up on a vacation. You can't fund me. And every day you want to call me name. Stop calling me name, you are broke. I hate when broke people call me name when they make me salt. But the rich people that bring me name like a bell top call up my name. You don't know from me, you don't know from the way. Men and a five, you know, me don't see me with my man. Leave me alone. Just so you're old. Just so you're old. You can't crouch and jump out. Look what I want to be seen, go beard and brush your teeth. And drink some Lasco and Alex and Milo and sweet meat. Look at sugar, go beard, one beard and brush your teeth. It's nice when you can take a shower and brush your teeth. And lie down and to relax. Go beard, little girl, go beard. Go beard, little girl, go and beard. This is the internet. People say a lot of things about me, a lot of things about me. I'm never my pathetic time. Some may answer, some may look. But me go so your old. I'm gonna look forward to 2 of them video. I'm gonna look DNA. 999, 16%. Go beard and brush your teeth. I wouldn't be people there. I would this.
It don't have nothing to do with that.
Me see to sister
And if the queen of the sea call my mother Batty man, me want to see she come with the proof. And that me a worry about. Like, what the fuck?
I tell the truth. Where is the lie?
That is why you're upset about. You're upset so she call your man a Batty man. Are you upset say Sky did a laugh like one little, me don't know what one little hyena. So the fuck why you upset about? Like the fuck? Me think say you're a big youngster now and say your mother, you say my mother Batty man.
Yeah, oh you know my man a Batty man.
Why you know my man a Batty man? You have proof say my man a Batty man? Big youngster about your shit.
True.
Big youngster. Cause that is what you're upset about. Because I would be upset if somebody said my man a Batty man, especially the queen of the sea. I go say my man a Batty man. Me want to see the proof. I want to see the proof. So be upfront. Nobody come and play it off like say.
All at one.
The food.
You know your shit one, sister.
The food, babe.
You know your shit one.
Yeah, like you're upset, and that is not what you're upset about, and it's understandable. Meanwhile, if you tell mother, say mother, me hear you say, my man a Batty man. What you mean by that? That would make anybody upset. Just be upfront. Me think say you're gangster, you go say that out of your mouth and say, yo, it's my man a Batty man. Where they pan? What would they pan? How that go? How that go?
Cause that me that do.
Exactly.
That me that do.
Now come on and try it. Yeah. You know, say that that's why you're upset about. You're upset about the Batty man part. I would be upset too. Like, be upfront, yo. I'm not saying a gangster and I love pull up and nobody can be upfront.
No, la me wait and have to pull up on me.
Like, you're upset, says Sky, then a little background and laugh like one hyena. That's what you're upset about. Cuss class, Sky. That's what you're upset about. Cuss them.
Yes, right? She can't do that.
Stop the
You know,
play.
say, I know me not finish here all of what she said. So when she done play the video, what she said to mother?
I don't even know. She jump off her screen and go like me, I say, like, what is this? Me think I can ask mother what, because me nothing about what she said about God Jamaica. Me know say the Batty man part upset her. So me think say she go come and say, yo mother, where you depend? Where you say my man a Batty man? And that me think I go happen, you know.
For true.
Because
but
that
she always have but me not understand this. She not give mother the energy where she up on her own scream.
At that meeting, so she asked mother about, you know, because if me hear the queen of the sea, say my mother Batty man, at that me want to know about.
And you know, say, So
that
she
me want to know about. Like, come on, man, make that make sense. That is why you were upset. Nobody tried deflect. You're upset and Sky did it. Like one hyena. That'll kill you. Just say it. I would be upset too. Like the fuck? Me say like,
Well, my people, I want to tell more of the things. Because Ziggy them a gringo. If you look on Ziggy them a gringo. You know what I mean? And a gringo place in come from also. So, me not see no body man in my people. Believe me. Although, you know what I mean, you never can tell what a man do. You see me I say, you never can tell. So, we can't swear for nobody at the end of the day. But me not see it in him. You know what I mean? And as we see enough time, them people are going to sell story. So, maybe this is one next story where them sell. You see me? But if you know, say, I know the first time people are linked Ziggy to them type of business there. You know what I mean? But me feel like say I mix up him name still. You see me? Because them man the loud and vulgar and burn anything we have to do with Batman. You see me? So tell me what you think, my people. Make watch someone then we have a hear Tracy side.
Me say the woman over there cuss me, I say.
Come see when I caption say Barbie tell wait Tracy say TikTok liar set her up with Macy. Let me hear this. Come never hear that one now.
I was already there. What you talking about? Who's stepping up to go over there? The girl next to her friend, they might tell her, don't go over there. Listen to me and say to you, my girl, I'm tell you. You see, if me never apart, go over there. I tell you again, if me never apart, you wouldn't make it over this girl. You understand?
Liar, call me, listen. No, you listen, liar, call me while I was in the shower, right? And I tell me, he said the man want apologize to me for come over there. You understand? That's the only reason why I'm going to go over there because blood clot liar. Liar, don't come back. I'm a bumble clot phone for that man there now. Don't come back. I don't answer me. I'm a dead bumble clot.
Come on, stop calling me up now.
I don't want to fuck with you.
Come on, stop calling me up. Because mother call me a Batman. The first thing you want know, mother, you have proof to me I'm a Batman.
But like this.
I that me want know. I mean, I said, stop your mother, you didn't laugh. And that me think the girl I'm going to do now.
Yes, girl, him like
and that me think will happen. The girl will class you and everything. Oh, I couldn't.
Hey, me like how you call her over the liar and tell her say mother want apologize.
But mother thinks that she upset about what, because Kai, honestly speak, I didn't even know, say, it didn't go that deep. Me think say the kid. But when me hear the full record, I say Ross, like, as she got upset about what she said, but they said about her man. I would be upset too. And
yeah, because mother apologized about the child part.
And me think say she will come out and say, yo, where the pan? We are talking about my man for like, where the pan? And that me think say she will go up mother and say no. Where the pan? You say my man a Batman, you have proof? That's what I think was gonna happen. Cause I that me don't want to hear. Fuck everything else. You say my man a Batman? Fuck everything else. The queen of the sea, you say my man a Batman? No.
Me feel like she know that's why she not talk. She don't want that to highlight. She don't want that to talk about. Me I tell her say she don't want that to talk about. She know. You know female sister girl make it to understand liar. Them know the guys them or them stay and them still go there with them. But when the people them find out they act like them never know.
No, that me get to understand. Say, yo, me say, me no say this banana cause Sky and they just laugh like one hyena.
I become me know what mother say. Me know about it. That's a me I laugh.
I mean, if I want to.
My nigga. How
you know about that life, sis? You know about that life.
How you gonna show the address? No, y'all give me what's your name? Happy Wife vibes. Oh, you get her address. Oh, you get the girl address. Oh, but no someone live at the same state, but you get her address.
Links.
Are the links that make the links that make the links that can't pop the links that make the links.
You saw me no bother nobody I would talk about a put out number. Me not talk about sure. Don't come bite me. Bite me. Okay?
Oh, you know so that is her right address.
Yeah. It matches with background.
Oh, did she really share your number? Because there's only 2 people that confirmed, and there's 500 and odd people over here. Did she really share your phone number, chat? When Michelle Obama had a saying, when they go low, we go high. Well, the people them say yes. So when you say, you know, do what Michelle Obama go say, when they go low, we go to fucking hell. How that you say? Oh, mamba clap. Me area sister girl. People them say yes. So the war you not done. The war not done to the whole of them dead.
Rika, you don't say another sense. You don't have those things. Me not do it, you know. My man tell me don't do it, me not do it.
I'm like, what the fuck, bro?
Talk me to them.
For bill man. For blood clot.
I'm not answering, give them my attention. I'm not give them.
So wait, how she would have get your number?
I'll leave it alone. Remember me and Sky used to do over there, you know. Remember when my situation they happened, me used to, over there, so me used to, you know, my little stress reliever, because, you know, she used to keep her quotas and rate. And even one at a time, them Sky, they say, you know, she did go do a fundraiser or whatever in my situation, which she never did, and I never asked back. She's the one that offered, I never asked. Okay? So, and that was that. But me and I, they get into it from being on her live, and I left her, like, and just never went back. So, yeah, that's how it started.
Leave it alone, man. We don't want the war. We don't want war, we want peace. Peace. Over there, you want.
Can somebody send Percy for me, please? And probably also not think me I address these people. I'm not gonna address them. I kid you not.
Where's Ziggy there?
And probably upset with me. Probably I think I'm gonna come live. I just said go on mad and all these things, but I'm not. I'm really not. And when him send me the request, me accept it, you know, so I don't know what the fuck happened. Why he didn't pop up on my screen, or did he take it back or something?